We've got 2 camping chairs, plus your aluminum folding table. The table is basically, it just folds out, opens up. There's 2 crossbars you pop in, and then the tabletop rolls out and you attach it from the side. We have an example over there of one already set up. We're using it for the video real quick, but that is what it looks like when it's all set up. Kitchen box. Kitchen box literally has everything you need in it to cook. We've made sure of that. So, kitchen box, we've got pots and pans, bowls, cups, strainer, French press, which by the way, does not go on an open flame, contrary to popular belief. The French press, you just pour hot water into it. Got to throw that in there since we've already had 2 demolished. So coffee mugs, koozies, soap, spatulas. Again, there is everything in here, including one very awesome chef's knife that was hand forged by my brother. This is an extremely sharp knife, and it will chop dice and then also save you in an event of a cougar attack. So we've got everything in the kitchen box you could possibly need. Close that up. And this stuff can be stowed pretty much anywhere you want it. Right now we've just got it out so that it's easy access while we're doing the video. The stove is really simple. You always want to cook outside. All right, we haven't set these vans to cook inside just for safety purposes. So on these stoves, you open the doors or open the legs here. I'll show you a setting here, but opens up. The sides fold up. And then this is your regulator. It goes to the side, tightens in, and then the 1 pound propane hooks into here and it tightens in as well. Once these are both secure, we can just turn on the gas and you'll start it with a lighter. And the stick lighter will be in your kitchen kit. So that's your stove. Same way, sides fold down, legs fold over. You've got kitchen stowed away. This generally is stowed under this bench seat if you have the bench seat. Otherwise it gets stowed elsewhere, but it's a big red stove, you can't miss it.